An important thing to do when you're trying to do traceability is to put identifying numbers on things to make it easier to identify what you're talking about in a traceability table. Here's an example requirements traceability matrix that has to do with a flight booking application. And you can see there are four main columns. There's a column pair called business requirements document, and you can see there the business requirements are numbered with ID numbers, and then there's a nickname so that you can understand what it means. The second major column is the functional requirements document, and there are function requirements which are also numbered, and also some nicknames to make it a little more human accessible. There's the third column, which is the priority of the requirement, low, medium, high. And there's the last column, which is a test case document, again with the test case number. This document shows you traceability from the business requirements through the function requirements to the test case ID. But you can also use it if you use a search to look up a test case and say, why does that test case exist? It ought to go back to requirements. This table is complete, but you could find traceability problems by saying, for example, if I see a business requirement that doesn't have functional requirements or doesn't have a test case, that's a problem. Or if I have a test case that doesn't have a corresponding function requirement and the functional requirement doesn't have a corresponding business requirement, that's also a problem.